Hello friends, welcome to Business Charts. Last week we have done complete analysis of Clean Science and Technology. Today we will compare the company with Camlin Fine Science. So it is a peer analysis because both companies are producing few similar products and operated in same industry. Let's start from financials. Clean Science sales CAGR was 29.8% in the last 5 years, while Camlin Fine Science sales growth was 18.3%. Both are good growth numbers, but Clean Science is very higher growth. And Clean Science sales is around half in 2022. Camlin sales is 1412 crore and Clean Science sales is 685 crore in 2022. So Camlin sales is higher than Clean Science in value. Net profit growth of Clean Science is 46.9% and Camlin net profit growth is 41.9%. Both are good. So Camlin turn around positive net profit from loss making. But if you could see, actually Camlin sales was double than Clean Science in 2022, but profit is just 1/4 only. Clean Science is 228 crore, but Camlin is just 61 crore in 2022. So definitely Clean Science has major advantage in their process than Camlin Fine Science. And at the balance sheet of Clean Science, there is no debt and healthy cash position. So very healthy balance sheet. And in the Camlin Fine Science balance sheet, there is 32% debt, but cash and cash equivalents position is just 8%, so not good balance sheet at the moment. And in the profitability, Clean Science operating profit margin was more than 40% in last 3 years, but Camlin operating profit margin is under 15% only. This is mainly Clean Science backward integration technique. They are manufacturing their key product in-house using cost-effective method so that they are having very high profit margin with a competitive advantage. And the Clean Science net profit margin also very high. It is 33%, but Camlin Fine Science profit margin was less than 5%. So Clean Science is way better margin. And Clean Science has generated very high ROE. It is more than 30% on 5-year average. But Camlin has poor ROE. It is just 8% only. And Clean Science has generated very high ROCE. It is more than 35 to 40% on 5-year average, but Camlin is not generated good ROCE. It is less than 12 to 13% on average. In the leverage, that is the long-term sustainability, the interest coverage of Clean Science is more than 500 times, so very healthy position. But Camlin Fine Science has around 2 to 3 times only. So in any bad economic situation, they may not able to pay their interest expenses by their profit. So Clean Science is better one. Debt to equity is nil for Clean Science, but it is high for Camlin. In the liquidity, Clean Science current ratio was more than 4 times in last year. Camlin has 1.5 times. More than 1 is good. So both are good. Inventory days is just 3 to 5 days for Clean Science, but for Camlin it is more than 160 days. So Clean Science takes very lesser days to convert its inventory into cash, but Camlin takes around 5 months to convert its inventory into cash. Cash conversion cycle, all negative numbers for Clean Science. That means company collects cash from customers first and then pay to suppliers after a while. So they have surplus money in between. But Camlin has 140-150 days, means they were struggled to collect cash from customers or struggle to pay to suppliers. So negative is better. So Clean Science efficiency is very good in terms of inventory management, cash collection and cash payable. On valuation, we have already covered discounted cash flow model for Clean Science in previous analysis. Now the valuation is done using comparable models. These models we can use either with peer companies or related industry. Current PE ratio of Clean Science is 86 times, but Camlin PE ratio is 54 times. Both are overvalued individually, but comparing these two, Camlin is lower one. And latest price to sales ratio of Clean Science is 26.4 and latest Camlin price to sales is 1.5 times. So Camlin is lower one. But we cannot just decide it is undervalued now and it will increase multiple times in future. See, the last 5-year trend shows the Camlin stock price usually in the range of 1 to 2 times of sales only. And latest enterprise value to sales ratio of Clean Science is 26.4 and latest enterprise value to sales ratio of Camlin is 1.5 times only. So Camlin is lower one. We are now at the end to conclude which is the best. From the whole analysis, Clean Science is better in sales growth, profit growth, healthy balance sheet, very higher profit margins, higher profitability, very good long-term and short-term financial positions, higher efficiency, and very higher valuation. That is not good. Valuation is one of the important factors to generate above average return. Even though Camlin is cheaper compared to Clean Science, I will prefer Clean Science because it has more to protect profitability of the company. As the valuation of Clean Science is higher, lump sum investment is not good option right now. However, buy on dip or doing SIP might generate good return over 10-15 years period. Our peer analysis report for these companies with even more information is available for you to download. Please take advantage of it. So that's all my analysis. Please post your thoughts in comment section below and hit like if the analysis is helpful to you, and we'll see you in another analysis. Thank you. Bye bye.